So this is another quick episode on how to rename our collections. Let's say we create a collections for our class, AO1, whatever that may be, or we create a collection and rename it wrong. So we take a look in our collection panels right now. There's a few folders right there. I'm going to create a collection right here. I'm going to just go ahead and click on a plus sign, create collections. And Lightroom 4 is going to ask us a little few more things about creating collections, which, could be confusing or not. So we're going to kind of eliminate the confusion right now. Okay, so let's look into create collection here. I'm going to name this collection Enhancement Theory 01. Let's say for ensample. Enhancement Theory 1. And it's going to ask me where do I want to place this collection. I can say place it in the top level. That means it's just going to put the collection there. Or I can actually organize collection into kind of like folders as well, into subfolders. We're not going to talk about that yet. In this case, we're going to select top level. And notice how under collection option, I don't have that include selected photo checked. So I just leave that empty. And once you do that, you can click on create. So now I have a folder called Enhancement Theory 1. Okay, so to add an image to a collection is just as simple as just clicking on the image and just dragging them in. Okay, so I'm going to drag a few images in here for Enhancement Theory 1, and let's find a few more images. These are images I shot in Rome, Italy. I was roaming in Rome, pun intended. It's kind of fun. Ooh, there you go. There's a couple of good images here. Let's see what we can find. I'm going to use like this image right here. Okay, perfect. So let's say I have 4 images to use. Let's find a few more. What the heck? I'm going to sort these and see if anything I've already star rate them. Ah, there's a few. Very nice. Let's select a few other images to bring in here. Drag into Enhancement Theory 1. Let's drag this one into. Okay, perfect. So if I come click on Enhancement Theory 1, now I have a few images in there that I'm going to use to kind of do the demo. But what happened is, let's say I name this collection the long way. I want to actually rename this collection. How do I rename that? Well, I just right click on the collection and say rename. It's that simple right there, and I'm just going to move this, and let's say Enhancement Theory 1 is a very long name. Just name this ET01 instead, just to make my life easy. And I'm just going to click on rename. It's just going to go ahead and rename that for me very easily. Now, just to let you know though, this collection thing, it's kind of like a playlist on iTunes for our music. So it's just like a playlist for your photos, and you can have a hip playlist for your photos as well. But just notice though that whatever is in the collection here won't be showing up outside of Lightroom. It does not exist when Lightroom closed. You need to be in Lightroom in order for you to see this. One more thing regarding collection. Let's say that I want to remove an image from a collection. It's as simple as just clicking on the image and just pressing the delete key, and it will just remove it from that collection or remove it from that playlist while it's still being stored on the hard drive, so your image is not getting deleted. Okay, so that's a little bit about how to rename and add and remove file from collection.